Hello everyone, Dr. Van Tryon here with a short video for you this time to help you along with opening up your dialysis tubing for your osmosis and diffusion lab. And I hope that you'll demonstrate for your students that before you begin any lab work, you'll put on your lab goggles. Safety is really important in all science labs, as I'm sure you're learning in your classes. So you take your dialysis tubing, and right now it doesn't look like much other than a rigid piece of cellophane or some Scotch tape, but you take this strip that I have given you and cut it in half so that you have half to use for your own video demonstration and then half to use for your practice. You're going to get a container of water, and warm water seems to usually work best, and then you lower the dialysis tubing down into the water, rubbing your fingers back and forth on the dialysis tubing until it actually opens up and becomes a tube, which is what we need for the science lesson. So I'm rubbing my fingers back and forth. Takes a little bit of time, not too much though. You shouldn't have to make any edits in your video for time. Keep rubbing it back and forth in your fingers, and eventually it will open up. It looks like this one's just about open. Yeah, that way you can stick your finger inside, or for your students, they're going to be putting substances inside the dialysis tubing for the lab. After you have it opened, you need to twist the end of the dialysis tubing like a candy wrapper and tie the end off so that it will be able to hold the substances that you're going to put inside the dialysis tubing for the osmosis and diffusion lab. Okay, we're going to use those later while you're making your video. I look forward to seeing them. I hope that you'll put on your goggles and create a lesson for your own students that they can use to make up a lab or in support of you giving the instructions for the lab. Thank you.